We've just acquired this Ford Focus. It's the ST line diesel in the best colour blue with the appearance pack alloys. It's got factory satellite navigation, rear park distance control, Parktronic, rear privacy glass. It's got the full ST line body styling kit. It's in absolutely superb and wonderful condition, as you can see. It's got the rear spoiler, boots in excellent condition. It's got electric windows, ST line kick plates, sports seats with the red stitch piping. I'll just start the car up. It's done 143 miles. As you see, satellite navigation. Look at that there, 57.6 miles to the gallon. It's got Bluetooth, sync, 6-speed gearbox, multifunction steering wheel. It's in absolutely lovely condition. DJH offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.